Alright guys, so it's now Monday. Headed back to the dealership to drop off the Z06 and got a couple issues. So like I mentioned previously, there's kind of like that whistling sound, and apparently, you know, we kind of figured out with the technician it might be coming from the exhaust. That's very possible, but we are going to get that figured out for sure. So they're going to take the car, put it up on the lift, you know, just figure out everything that's going wrong. Oh God, did you hear that? So I love the look of the car, how it's lowered, right? Looks freaking dope. Dude, scraping, you guys have seen the side skirts, it's pretty bad. And then coming out of my driveway at my apartment, I've kind of got it figured out on which angle to take, you know, so I don't scrape, because if you just try to go straight over it and don't go to angle, brother. But yeah, I got Madeline behind me. She's gonna follow me to the dealership so I don't have to ride my skateboard back, because right now people are losing their mind. Alright y'all, pulling up to the dealership yet again. Coker Chevrolet. Alright, see if we can get this little issue taken care of. The alignment seems to be pretty good. I kind of thought when I pulled off the other day it was pulling to the right, but it seems to be all right now. We have arrived. All right guys, got some more paperwork. So just to sum all this up, it apparently was related to the brake pads. So it's funny enough that, you know, I was saying it kind of sounds like when your brakes are going out, but necessarily they weren't going out. Just needed to clean the brake pads, and he said the lube was insufficient. So insufficient lube. On the pad sliders, causing them not to move correctly, causing the brake whistle. There is still a slight whistle, and apparently that's coming from the cold air intake, which you know what, I'm gonna be okay with that, because that's what I want, the cold air intake for the extra little power. So I'm gonna be all right with that. But yeah, everything's all good to go. And he said it's not detrimental to the car. It's gonna be all right. Oh, somebody just took a picture of the car. So guys, the car drives great, and with the windows up, the slight whistle that you can hear with the windows down, you can't hear at all. So you know what? After talking with the technician, he lubed up the brakes and said that, you know, it sounds like it's coming from only the front now, and that is exactly where the cold air intake is. You know what? I think I'm gonna be cool with that. And because usually most of the time when you do get a cold air intake, you do get more blower noise. Good. The alignment, at first I thought it kind of pulled hard to the right, but it was just the road that I was on. But I just picked me up some Chick-fil-A. I'm about to smash that. Look at that. Do you see that string hanging on? It's like literally touching the next car. So yeah, Curtis, the Corvette technician, said that I could, you know, take off the cold air intake and put the stock one back on and see if it continues. I think I'm good, brother. I think I'm gonna keep the Haltech cold air intake on, because I spent 4 days in a shop, and now granted most of that was spent lowering the car, but yeah. It kind of sounds like more blower noise, but he said he checked everything, so as long as the rear diff is not broken, I mean, which if it was, I would know. He said I would know. All right guys, I got something pretty cool in the mail today from my buddy Jara. If you don't remember, in one of my last videos, he came out from Pennsylvania. He's a pretty dope photographer, one of my good friends now. We met up through Instagram. We have a video together. You can go check that out right here. I'll put the link right here. But he sent me a canvas of my car. And so he got this new printer, and it's pretty freaking cool. And let me see if I can get this open. Very good packaging, bro. He did not want anybody stealing this. Okay, so before I open it up, I'm going to explain what it is. I took a picture of my car with a refiner in the background. You can check it out on my Instagram, link in the description below. But it's on like this wooden canvas. It's pretty dope, so it's already ready to go. If you guys want one, I'll put the link to his Instagram below. You can go check it out. He's going to be selling these now. I'm his first customer, so let's get to it. Boys, you ready? Oh, dude, that's freaking sweet. Oh my gosh, check that out. That's pretty dope. Super crisp too. So I guess this is kind of like some kind of canvas paper or something, but he's got a really cool printer that does this now. Like I said, link in the description below to his Instagram. You can hit him up. You can get any picture you want, any size. I chose, I think this is 12 by 28. I didn't want nothing too crazy to take up a giant wall, but I've got a pretty cool place for this. I guess it'll fit right there, I think. It should be able to fit right there. But yeah, this is pretty sweet. Pretty excited about it. Get it in the lighting right there. Dude. That's awesome. So Jar, thanks bro. I really appreciate it. This came out freaking sweet. Oh yeah, and I might get another one because he took some pictures a while back. Go check out the video, link in the description below. But this is freaking sweet. Love that. Alright guys, as you can see above me right here, got the new canvas hung up along with my other Corvette logos and little suns right here. Really dope. But guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Ooh, badass little Honda right there though. That's pretty sweet. Hell yeah.